everyone talks about hire people that are smarter than them.
Yeah.
How do you execute that, Brian? I mean, now you've had the opportunity at multiple places to hire people around you. Like, so someone's listening to this podcast and they're like, you know, something, I hear that all the time. I think I'm doing that, but maybe I'm not doing it. You know, how do you know that you're doing it? What do you do to make sure you're doing it? You know, how do you make that happen?
Yeah, you know, I still don't know the answer to that. You know, that's the reality of it. There's been oftentimes we've hired folks who I thought were perfect for the business, and maybe they were perfect for elements of it, but in the end, weren't. I think the most important thing you can do at first to try to hire somebody better than you is know where your weaknesses are, and that's something I reflect on regularly. And I know where some of them are. Other ones, people tell me where my weaknesses are. It's
a whole Johari window conversation we're about to have right now.
Yeah. Right. But you know, that's the reality of it. If I can make sure I'm plugging the gaps in the areas that I don't have the experience in, that's the way to go about it.